Hey, this is chapter 13, lesson 13 on Amshir Chacha, the past tense of what look like regular verbs. These are actually irregular verbs. They behave regularly in the past tense. But they do normal things. Now, the past tense verbs typically would have a lenition on a consonant, cherme, hogme, but that happens because originally there was a D-O particle before a past tense verb. So, dacharme. And you'll see that still in Munster Irish sometimes. Charme, chertu, chershe, hershi, cheramar. Again, the same attached we form. Chershiv, chershiad. All those same pronouns that you've seen all along. Hogme, same pattern. Now, dolme, D apostrophe before a vowel. That is that same duh particle, but it's stuck around when there's a vowel. So it's D apostrophe before a vowel. In normal past tense, and in this case they're behaving normally, the negative particle is near, N-I-F-A-O-R, near cherme, near hogshe, near ol shiad. And the question word is A-R. Cherme, chertu, and so forth, and so on. So that is the pattern for past tense verbs behaving normally, or normal past tense verbs, not irregular. And you need to study it. So have fun.